Hello my lovelies, how you doing? Hope you're all keeping well and staying crafty. Right, I'm coming on with a craft haul. I said the other day I was going to come on and show you what we've been buying. Went to Craft at Springfields. The shop that we've been into, it used to be called the Craft Outlet, but I've just noticed on the receipt it's called Craft at Springfields. Anyway, it's in a town called Spalding, and we've not been since last year, so it would have been rude not to have gone into the craft shop. It's a beautiful place. It's ever so nice. All sorts of different shops, most of them not our sort of shops, but there's the craft shop there, and there's also a works there. All sorts of different shops. Big like garden centre with a big cafe in that used to be nice, but it's not so nice now, so we don't go in there. And then there's a pub there and other little cafes. A really nice place, nice gardens, and yeah. So Mr. Doodle stayed in the car, and I went for a little wander and went into the craft shop, and they got some offers on. I can't remember exactly what the offers were because it doesn't actually tell you on the receipt, but it was like, say, £3.99 for something, but buy 5 for £10 or something like that. I've got a load of stuff, so I'll tell you the price at the end. I saw these paper making frame, so I got two. I got two of those. I know you can make these, but oh well, we'll get those to make some paper. So I thought they were quite good. There's all instructions on the back there. I can't remember how much they were. I've got a feeling they were £3.99 or could have been more, but I don't know. And then I got a couple of these, a tin with 580C cards in. So a nice little tin to decorate, and then they are literally just pieces of card they would need, you know, backing onto something else. I thought they might have been, you know, a heavier substrate, but they're not. But anyway, so I got those. Got two of those. What else did we get? It seemed to be a day of twos. And then I noticed this, as I'm a big have to have all different types of glue sort of person. Zig, I've never had anything Zig before. Decoupage glue. So we got two of those. They've got like a big square thing on the end, so I've not opened them yet. A couple of those. What else have we got? Let's look. Oh, some of these, you've seen these before because I've bought some of these before. Got some of the Paisley ones. I think that's all I got. I mean, they're not bad at £2, but for 25p, so it would be rude not to, wouldn't it? Oh, sorry for the glare. Hope you can see okay. I've got the light on, and I've got the little ring lamp on as well. So there's those. Got some self-seal bags. 2 sizes, packs of 20. Oh, no, and another one. Square ones. There's these book rings. I mean, these are really quite expensive, aren't they? So I've got 2 big packs of those. I was actually going to put some of these, they've just fallen on the floor, put some of these in the giveaway, and then I forgot because they've still been in my bag. So nobody's got any of those from me yet. So I've got 2 of the big ones and then 2 of the small ones. Haven't had any of the coloured ones before, so that's nice. So that is the little haul, and all of that was only £15. I'm not sure how she's done the pricing of it, but I think I was so pleased. I'm like, oh my god, I've got all that for 15 quid. That's mega bargain. So yes, that's my little haul video. I don't know when I shall be back. Who knows, but anyway, I'm making a start, so that's good, and I'm feeling a lot better. We're both on a bit of a try and lose weight campaign, and Mr. Doodle's doing better than me. He's lost, what was he lost? About 35 pounds. Is that 2.5 stone, something like that? And I've lost 1.5 stone. What's that? 21 pounds, 20 pounds, something like that. But we're both doing well, and we're eating better. We've cut out all the junky crap food and processed foods, and we're just eating proper food, basically, changing our way of eating, and yeah, feeling better and sleeping. Oh my god, I am sleeping so well. You will have heard me say before that some nights I used to sleep reasonably well, but other nights I'm just like but I'm sleeping so well. Not every night. I still have the odd night where I probably can't get to sleep, but I don't know, 6 out of 7 nights I sleep 8 hours. I'm sleeping better than I've slept for 30 years. It's amazing, really amazing, you know, what sort of changing your diet can do, and you know, eating properly. I know we should all be eating properly, but there's so much crap out there, and it's when you've grown up with it. And yeah, but anyway, I've come on to show you this, not to talk about food and our fat bodies. Okay then, my lovelies, thank you ever so much for watching, and for all your lovely comments and all your love, and I will speak to you soon. Take care, bye.